Introduction to Python Programming. Hi, everyone! Welcome to Madigital Do. I'm Hasaranga. Today, I'll give you a quick introduction to Python. Do you know what Python is? It's one of the most popular programming languages out there. Python is known for being easy to learn and incredibly versatile. It's used in software development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. If you're looking to get started with Python, you come to the right place. We'll begin with the basics. As you progress, you'll see how powerful it can be. Python opens doors to many exciting fields. On this channel, we'll explore Python and more. Don't forget to subscribe for updates.